So this video is going to be a diabetic friendly breakfast smoothie. So it's kind of easy for anyone who's like kind of watching their sugar and stuff. So first thing we're going to do is get half a cup of oats. Hopefully I can get it in this bag. Move that around it. Come on. Get that in there. So ideally, if you've got a food processor, get that whacked in. Get that in there. It'll just be a case of getting this milled up. So I'll be back to you once I've done that. So next thing I'm going to do is add my banana. So I'm going to do in one whole frozen banana. So this is just for me and Jake. If you're doing it on your own, you're going to need half a frozen banana. In terms of the oats, then you just need a quarter of the cup. So we'll just get those bananas added in. Next thing we're going to do is add our sweetener. So we're probably going to do 1/8 of a cup. Ideally I need that on pour. So probably about that much. Get that added in. You can always add more later on as well. Next thing we're going to do is add our milk. So it is 1.5 cups for 2 portions. You can use any kind of milk you want. So in this case I'm going to use semi-skimmed. That's half. And that's 1. That's 1.5. Get that added in. And it'll just be a case of getting that all blended together. So just get that done now. You can at this stage as well opt to add coffee or cocoa powder or peanut butter or anything like that. I think it will just be a case of I'll just add some instant coffee, so I'll show you guys in a moment. So this is the fun bit, getting to pour it out, so I have a feeling I might have extra. Oh. Oh yeah, definitely had too much. That's fine, we'll drink it. Lovely, so that is your banana diabetic friendly smoothie all done. So if you like this video guys, go like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see all you lovely people in the next episode. See you later.